A virtual network is the outermost boundary of your network. Inside the VNet would reside a subnet or multiple subnets. And then inside the subnet would reside your resources like your virtual machine or databases. Now this looks like a layered model. The network security groups can then be linked to subnets or the network card of your resources or both. Binding network security groups to your individual virtual machines by network card is considered very powerful. But also you may lose track of them because as and when you deploy new resources, it will be difficult to track and maintain the security groups and the rules associated in it. It is recommended to link a network security group at a subnet level and reuse across virtual networks and subnets. Be very careful when you want to apply network security groups to both virtual machines and subnet level at the same time. Network security groups are evaluated independently and allow rule must exist at both levels, otherwise traffic will not be admitted. Let me explain this to you by giving an example of the incoming traffic on, let's say, port number 80. You need to have network security group at the subnet level with the allow rule for port number 80, and you also need another network security group with allow rule on port number 80 at the NIC level. For incoming traffic, network security group set at the subnet level is evaluated first. Then the network security group set at the NIC level is evaluated. For outgoing traffic, it is obviously the reverse. The picture that you see here should even clarify this concept even more. So you can see how rules are evaluated for network packets. And once again, remember that you need to evaluate this diagram two times. One for the subnet level NSG rules, and then once for the network card level NSG rules.